The most profitable AI skills and services that you should learn in this today's 2026 era. So here I am going to you tell everything about the AI skills that you should learn. So be tuned at the end of this video and see how benefit or how value you will get from this video. So let's start. Okay. So first, so here are the top AI skills businesses that are paying for. Means what you should learn in this 2026 era. You should not learn stuff or other things. So see, first AI automation. AI automation is very demanding skill. Just you have to do some automations, like you have to do email check automation or message automation, call automation. See, your demand is very much 9 out of 10. Competition is very low, and just 2 to 4 weeks you can earn up to 5k to 15k. AI workflow design. Just you have to do a design for startups and operations, and your demand is also very low, sorry, high, and your competition is also very low. Here you can earn up to 3 to 5 weeks. Just it will take, and you can earn up to 4k to 12k. AI sales system. This is very much important. If you build a product, if you don't know how to sell, then how you will earn money? That's why this is best for B2B, SaaS, and coaches. Demand you see 9 out of 10. Your but competition is very less. Just it take 4 to 6 weeks to scale, and you can earn up to 6k to 20k per client. AI customer service automation. Just you can create this for retail, SaaS, local, and beach. 8 out of 10, 4 out of 10, 3 to 5 weeks it will take for scalable. You can earn up to 4k to 15k per month. AI data analysis and reporting. I am also doing this. You can do in finance niche, e-commerce niche, health niche. Just you have to shift your data analysis skills into AI skills. Demand is 7 out of 10. Competition is also low. It will take 4 to 8 weeks, and it takes up to 5k to 10k per month. Dollar. AI lead generation. Everybody need lead for their business. So you can create this system. Then now 9 out of 10, 6 out of 10 is your demand. 3 out to 5 weeks. It will up to 5k to 25k per month. AI agent development. How you can create an amazing agent for your executive founders so that it can solve easily. 8 to 10, 3 out of 10 your demand means what? Competition 4 to 6 weeks, and 8k dollar to 30. Then AI personal system, branding system. If you know, if you once you build a personal brand, means every in your future you're going to make lots of money, because everybody will believe on you know that you have created such a personal brand on this niche. Then this this the money first opportunity ranking. First, where you can earn quick and first money. So first your AI automation agency. Just create an automation agent, low startup cost, just 20 $200. Learning curve is medium. Profit margin you see just 80% profit, and easily you can get client and recurring revenue. AI sales system. It is also low as dollar for 150. Medium learning 75%. Medium. AI content operation means you will use AI for creating content, everything. Sales, description, title. It's a very low as $50. Low 70% margin, easy and medium. AI consulting and non-high, medium. AI lead generation system and AI agent development. These are the fastest way get your money fast. So see, fastest $1,000. If you want your fastest $1,000, what should you do? Just you can go through AI content system, where it will deliver a content system using ChatGPT and Notion in under 2 weeks. Fastest 5k per month. If you want, just you can go for AI automation for small and medium package automation as a monthly retainer. If you want to earn $10k per month, then AI sales system build outbounds plus follow-up system for B2B companies. If you want fastest $100k per year for AI automation, then high demand industry spending on AI. How see high demand industry? Real estate, healthcare, e-commerce, and marketing industry. These are the high demand industry. What are the biggest problem these real estate are facing? So lead follow-ups, listing description, client communication. So what are the top services you can do? So AI lead generation, the CRM, then budget up to $2k to 8k per month, then makers, brokers, and on. What are the problems that healthcare facilities or industries are facing? appointment, no source, patient intake, admin, overload. Top services what you can provide: AI patient communication plus scheduling automation. Budget $1K per month to $5K per month per client you can charge. Decision maker, practice manager. In e-commerce, biggest problem is product description, customer support, and copy at scale. AI content operation you can create and CS automation. Budget up to $3 to $10K per month. Decision makers, founder, marketing, and what are the marketing agencies' biggest problem? Scaling content, reporting, and client deliverables without head count. Top services what you can provide: just you can create a AI workflow design plus content system. Budget what you can do: you can do just 2K to 7K per month. Is an agency owner. So what are done for you AI services you can sell today? Here also I have also provided you what are the services that is already done. Just you have to sell it. First, AI content engine setup. To build a full content system like blog outline, social post, email sequence. What are tools you can use for create? ChatGPT, Notion. The price up to you can do $1,500 to 3,000 one time plus 500 monthly. AI lead follow up automation like SMS, automated SMS, email sequences that nature list 24 by 7. Tools what you can use: Make.com, ChatGPT, and CRM. Price up to $2,000 setup and 800 per month. What are the AI content service chatbot also you can create? Custom GPTs or chatbot handling, FAQs, booking, support, tools like ChatGPT plus voice flow. Price up to you can charge $1,500 to $4,000 and maintenance 300. So what are the AI sales outreach system? The personalized cold email plus LinkedIn sequences and tools like ChatGPT plus instantly click. How much you can earn? $200, 2,500 to $5,000 per client. AI research and competitive intelligence. And at last, AI SOPs and operation document. These are the amazing done for you AI services that you can sell today and build. What are the top AI agency model that you can launch today? First, AI automation agency. Build and manage automation system like small business, medium business. Retainer will pay you up to $1K, 5K per client, and startup is only $500. Similarly, AI sales system agency. They design outbound actor system for B2B business companies. $2K to $8K per month. High demand. AI content operation agency, AI customer service, AI strategy consulting firm, AI lead generation agency. Many are available. So this PDF link I will provide in the description. So don't forget to check out the description. Future proof analysis. What stay value? So see, the AI skills is not very valid that it will work for lifetime. Some are the future proof analysis likely to be more like basic prompt writing, generic content, simple data entry automation, standard chatbot setup, AI image generation, template based report creation. These all skills are going to be abolished or finished. What are like to be future proof? AI workflow architect like designing an end-to-end system, AI strategy consulting, translating business problem to AI solution, AI agent orchestra, managing multi-agent system, AI plus human hybrid operation, knowing where AI fits in industry specific AI in vertical expertise, and training and challenge management, helping team to adapt AI. What are the personal opportunities that match? First, you check what current skill do you like. You are good in sales, how you can implement AI in the sales. Writing, if your writing is good, you can implement AI writing. Your operations are good, then how you can use to solve any problem. You are good in tech, marketing, then how you can integrate AI in this. Industry background, which industry do you know well? Human expertise, use that AI unfair advantage. Income goal and timeline. What your target monthly income? 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh. So you can choose on that. Weekly available hours. How many hours per week can you dedicatedly learn and client acquisition, testing audience and network, budget and technical ability. So what are the 90-day AI monetization roadmap? Use financial financially free. So first 1 to 14 days, we check or take one skill, completely focused a course and build 2 to 3 example using a 15 to 30. First offer you have to create. Package your skill as a DFY service. Create a one-page offer. Reach out to 50 prospects via LinkedIn, email or warm intro. Day 31 to 60, first 30 clients. Post 2 to 3 beta client at discounted rate, or you can do for free. Just you need a customer feedback. Exchange of for testimonials, systematic delivery with SOP. Last 61 to 90 scale. This price. Convert one time client to retainers and document everything begin outsourcing. So day 2 first line 30 day it will take. So with focused average first project typically and you will get $2K per month, 80% margin and 90% 90 days to dollar itna. So what are the key takeaways you your next movie? So the AI opportunity window is open, but it won't stay forever. So the professional who act in this 6 to 12 months will compound their advantage for years. And here's your execution. So what your immediate is, pick one AI skill, phase one, don't overthink it. Spend 10 hours this week, learn the basic. Build one portfolio piece, even it is hypothetical. Draft your first service, offer DFY's template and reach 10 prospect this week. See, speed beats perfection. How much speedily you can do what? If you go for perfection, you never going to make. Specialize early. Industry plus service combo equals to premium price. Take one industry, sales, marketing, tech, and be specialized on it. Retailer offer project. Recurring revenue is the goal. Don't do one-time payment. Always try to do recurring, monthly. Customized delivery. Documents everything from day one. What you have did, how you find it, how you learn it, how to solve it, and relationship compound. Your network is your distribution. How much network you can do. Fastest path to $10K per month is AI is not learning. It's selling what you already know how to do package as a done for you. If you like the video, you can subscribe this channel and also leave a comment on which topic you want more video. We'll meet on next video. That